Hi! In front of me is POCO M5S, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons on this device. First of all, you need to hold your device's display. Then click on this icon at the bottom left corner. Now select More and click on Icon Size. Finally, you can swipe left or right in order to adjust them, and when you're ready, click on Home button. Then click on this check mark at the top right corner, and as you can see, after that, size of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!